This video is meant to help you to disassemble your saxophone. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is take the reed off. What I like to do is, obviously you're going to loosen the ligature. You probably want to wipe the back of the reed dry. Then you're going to add it to the reed case. Again, trying to avoid the tip of the reed because it's very fragile. So you're just going to put it in, slide it in, and there it is. And we're going to put that in the case. Next thing you'll want to do is take off the mouthpiece, and as you put it back in the case, if there's some moisture, you can kind of wipe it out with a cloth or with your fingers. You definitely make sure that you put the mouthpiece cap back on, because that'll protect the mouthpiece tip while it's in the case. We're going to next unscrew the neck. You may have two screws on your saxophone, like I do. This one is for a lyre attachment, which if you get to high school and do marching band, you're going to use a lot. This one on the right hand side is the one that's going to loosen the neck or tighten it. So we're going to loosen that first, take the neck out. And again, if you've watched the swabbing video, this is a great time to now swab your neck before you put it back in, as long as the weight from the swab fits through both sides of the neck. And then we're going to swab our saxophone as well at this point. Okay, so we're going to pretend I've swabbed it. Here's the end cap. We're going to make sure that that goes in. I'm going to tighten that. And when I put my saxophone away, again, I like to hold it by the bell just so we're avoiding pushing or applying pressure to the keys or rods. And that is going to go in just in here. Likely you'll have latches. Mine has a zipper, so I'm going to zip that up. But before I do, I'm going to go ahead and take my neck strap off. You're going to loosen it first. I've had many students walk around campus all day with their neck straps because they forgot to put it in. So it happens, and it looks like a bolo tie, so you can have a little bit of fun with that too. But that can go in the case as well. And that is how you disassemble a saxophone.